Business-minded ka ba? May pangarap kang sariling negosyo pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Good news! Franchise Pinas is back and bigger than ever. Matagumpay na muling isinagawa ang Franchise Pinas 2025, ang nag-iisang franchise expo sa Central Luzon nitong July 5 to 6 sa SMX Convention Center, Clark. Open to all and absolutely free. This two-day event brought aspiring entrepreneurs, seasoned business owners, and investors under one roof for a weekend of business matching, learning, and opportunities.
This is actually our second year, although we missed it out last year. So we had it in October 2023 talaga. Also here in SMX. So, bale year 2 na namin to dahil nga nag-skip lang ng 2024, but we're having it bigger and better this year. There are over 70 brands, and of course, a lot of our generous sponsors have their own booths with us.
Organized by Epic Events Production led by Louis Alcantara, the same group behind Clark Aurora Music Festival, the expo is proof that business can be bold and exciting too. One of the exhibitors, ang The Daily Detox, a proudly local health brand na 10 years nang nag-ooperate with 18 branches all over Luzon.
So 10 years na po itong negosyo, 2014 pa po nag-start, into health po talaga ako. Kaso nung nagka-baby ako, medyo lumobo rin ako. And actually, I just lost 80 pounds. Yes, and all because of The Daily Detox.
Kabilang sa mga sponsors ang GCash, who emphasized the role of digital wallets in making payments smooth and accessible, especially for startups.
So, kaya po kami nandito sa GCash is for us to be able to help our MSMEs para po magkaroon po sila ng additional payment solution, which is GCash for Business na comparing po sa GCash Personal, wala pong limit ito. So kung may mga questions po sila, pwede po nilang bisitahin yung booth natin ngayon dito sa Franchise Pinas.
Meanwhile, Converge ICT reminded everyone about the non-negotiable, reliable internet.
So regardless of the business, the type of business, talagang napakahalaga na ang internet connection ay very reliable, hindi lang mabilis. Kasi kung ito laging nagda-down or may mga konting hiccups sa internet, and may direct effect yon sa productivity ng isang negosyo. So kapag merong negative effect yun sa productivity ng negosyo, ang impact nun sa business financially negative din. So syempre bawas kita yun. It could also result to a walk away, 'di ba, ng customer. Kunwari isang coffee shop, walang wifi or lagi nagda-down. So
Franchise Pinas isn't just a business event, it's a movement. One that encourages Pinoys, especially the younger crowd, to dream bigger and take the step into entrepreneurship. Kaya next time na may Franchise Pinas, make sure you're there. Who knows, baka yan na ang start ng future business mo.
So this event kasi, very timely siya. Because ang franchising is one of the 5-point agenda ni Secretary. The other 4 are diversification, financing, mentoring, tsaka digitalization. But parang hindi siya bago sa amin. Because this kind of event, na-stage na ng DTI yan with our International Food Expo, yung aming World Food Expo, combine siya as in nandiyan yung mga MSMEs at the same time nandiyan yung mga suppliers ng mga equipment, specifically sa food sector. So talaga it will help na parang meron na tayong na-identify na supplier for our food sector nung mga equipment, no? And then we are also giving chance to our mga MSMEs natin na i-adapt yung bagong business model.
This is Patricia Mamangon on The Spot.